To upload your resume to Indeed via desktop, first log in to your Indeed account. Navigate to your profile and locate the Resume section. Click the Upload Resume button. Select your resume file from your computer. Accepted formats include PDF, DocX, and TXT, with PDF recommended for preserving formatting. Ensure your file is under 10 megabytes. After uploading, review the parsed information for accuracy. Save your changes. Use drag and drop for bulk uploads to save time. To upload your resume via the Indeed mobile app, available on iOS and Android, open the app and tap the profile icon. Select Add Resume and choose to upload from your device's file browser or gallery. Supported file formats are PDF, DocX, and TXT with a 10 megabyte size limit. The app features AI-powered resume parsing, which suggests optimizations to improve job matching. Remember to review the extracted information and confirm the upload. Mobile uploads account for 70% of all uploads, reflecting the increasing trend of mobile job applications.